Nothing stays the same forever.
50% Royce. Shout out to my nigga Priest. It's my brother, you know.
Silly. Prepare to meet your maker. It's only one round left. I guess that's the part where I peel your potato. Backyard brawling, scripture for a hater. Read up on my pedigree, crump game, Triple H. Pre-tribulation, searching for what's evident. So as a king, I'ma post up and speak with the elements. Weatherman Millie, the power is insane. How somebody gon' beat me that I train? Hey, I'm all over this session, pulling on my puffy jacket. Y'all play with Legos, my crew play rugby. The gospel's a no-brainer. I need that to live. So when I'm battling the spirit, I can find out what it is. Give you that if you need it. The footage that's coming out, y'all ain't even gon' believe it. I'm an easy bleeder, push me, it's all bloody. Keep your hands to yourself, you push me, it's all gully. Bring that fitted cap on my hip. The madness on my mind, you running out of time, boy. This is my street, cause the earth is the Lord's. I'm snatching my ground back from every one of you boys. Put that fitted cap on my head, madness on my mind, you running out of time, boy. This is my street, cause the earth is the Lord's. Snatching my ground back from every group in the world. Now let me speak to the wind, I'm just that gully in these Timbs. It's only the beginning. Now let me speak to the rain, quenching Satan starts to fire. I'm so gully formed. Now let me scream at the thunder, I'm louder than the elements. Power, you know that I'm gully for it. I mean, Rock told you I'd never try where a captain don't fit you.
One of them days. Water's up.